Hi children, how are you doing? Good, great. Name of my story is The Thief. It was a dark night with loud thunder and bright lightning, and it was getting difficult to get sleep. In addition to that, we had a background music. Drow, 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 drow. I could hear croaking of crocs in the nearby pond. So I just pulled my blanket over my head and tried to get to sleep. After some time, I just got woke up and I could feel some movement behind the window. I just woke up and saw there was no thunder, there was no lightning, even the frogs had stopped croaking. Then how could I got disturbed in the sleep at this hour of night? I just thought about it. And I could feel movement behind the window. Actually, I had kept that window a little open and I had just pulled the curtain. Below that window, at a comfortable distance, was a pumping room, and so it was safe to keep the window a little open. But now I could feel something was moving behind the window. Oh, that means it must be a thief. I got alerted. And then I thought of the stick which was across the room. But it was difficult to go there and get the stick because the thief may be having some weapon with him. The distance was not even of a feet or so. I just thought I must think something, a difficult situation. I must start thinking something. On the desk nearby, there was a table clock. I just took that table clock in my blanket and kept it inside. A paperweight was there, I kept it inside so that when the thief enters the room, I will start throwing all the things whichever I have to him so that he will be surprised and I will be little safer. After that, I will think about next plan of mine and will be thought about. And so now after putting all the things in the bed, I was feeling little better. I was safer. And when my this plan was ready, I just pulled the blanket little below so that I could keep a watch on the wind. At that time itself, I could see the shadow behind the window and a hand came inside and the hand moved the curtain. Oh, at that time, I saw the hand was very hairy. The nails were big. But it was not the hand of a person or a man. It must be a claw of an animal. Now the claw moved the curtain further. Oh, and I started shh, 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 and thabak. I could hear I could hear some sound at the it was a cat and cat had fallen down on the pumping room. I started laughing as I was afraid and frightened inside the room, so was the cat. And because cat was frightened, it fell down on the pumping room. So children, when you are in difficult situation, always prepare yourself. Think wisely. But remember, the difficulty may not be as big as you think. Who says? Aji tells.